Chapter 13. Travel Time. How do you travel from one place to another? You use different modes of transport. There are three main types of transport, namely land transport, water transport, and air transport. The land transport includes vehicles like cars, buses, scooters that can easily move on land. The water transport includes vehicles like boats, ships that move over sea routes. This is the cheapest and slowest means of transport. Air transport includes vehicles like aeroplane and helicopters that can travel long distances in short period of time. Let us learn about different means of transport in detail in this chapter. So, let us read how is it explained in our book. We often go from one place to another to meet our relatives and friends. If the place is close by, we can go by bus, car, scooter, or auto rickshaw. We also send goods from one place to another. For these purposes, we need some means of transport. Today, we have many means of transport. All these means of transport can be divided into three groups: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Let us learn about them in detail. Means of land transport. Means of land transport consist of those vehicles that move on land: bicycles, motorcycles, cars, buses, trucks, vans and jeeps are the main means of land transport in towns and cities. Trains are also means of land transport, but they run on rail tracks. Trains are good to travel long distances. They carry heavy goods from one place to another. India has one of the largest rail networks in the world. Some cities like Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Jaipur and Delhi have local trains. They carry thousands of people daily to their workplace and back again. Kolkata and Delhi have underground metro. People in villages use animals as means of transport. Some of the common animals used for transportation are bullocks, horses, elephants, camels and donkeys. Means of water transport. Means of water transport consist of boats, steamers and ships. Water transport is the cheapest but slowest means of transport. Boats carry heavy bulky goods and passengers across the seas and oceans. Ships need a good port for loading and unloading goods. India has 11 big ports on all along its coast. Mumbai is the biggest and busiest port in India. Means of air transport. Means of air transport include aeroplanes and helicopters. They can travel long distances in short time. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. Helicopters are used to carry goods during wars, floods and earthquakes. If you want to go somewhere very far, like the moon, you will have to travel in rocket. Means of transport play an important role in the progress and prosperity of our country. We should take care of them. A postal van or mail van transports letters, packets, etc. from the post office to different places in the city. Roadside vendors use carts to sell vegetables and fruits. A tractor is used in rural areas to travel as well as to help in agriculture. A police van carries policemen to different places to help them maintain law and order. An ambulance carries patients from their homes to hospitals. A fire engine carries equipment and firemen to put out fires. Now children, let us revise what we learned in this chapter. Time to revise. We often go from one place to another to meet our relatives and friends. India has one of the largest rail networks in the world. Means of transport can be divided into three groups: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Means of transport play an important role in the progress and prosperity of our country.